Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through the process of drawing a realistic eye step by step. Eyes are often called the windows to the soul, making them one of the most important features when capturing a person's expression and emotion. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so grab your pencil, get comfortable, and let's begin. Materials needed. You'll need a standard pencil such as an HB or 2B and a softer pencil like 4B or 6B for shading. An eraser, a good quality sheet of paper, and optionally a blending tool or a tissue will help you create smooth shading and realistic shadows. Step 1. Sketching the basic eye shape. Start by lightly sketching an elongated oval shape for the eye. Don't press too hard, as you'll want to adjust lines easily. Inside this oval, draw a perfect circle representing the eyeball. To position both eyes evenly, use the 3-eye rule. The space between two eyes should be roughly equal to the width of one eye. Once spaced correctly, add a smaller circle inside each eyeball to mark the pupils. Make sure the pupils are positioned evenly to avoid a cross-eyed look. Step 2. Outlining the eyelids. Draw the upper and lower eyelids, following the curve of the eye shape. The upper eyelid will have a more pronounced curve, while the lower eyelid should be subtler and smoother. For a relaxed look, let the upper eyelid slightly cover the top of the iris. Step 3. Adding the iris and pupil. The iris is not a complete circle. It will be partially hidden by the eyelids. Keep the pupil centered and leave a small white spot for a highlight. This will add life and depth to the eye. For a dreamy or tired appearance, shade the entire pupil and slightly blur the iris edges. To make the iris more realistic, add radial lines coming from the pupil outward, resembling sun rays. Step 4. Refining the eyelids and adding eyelashes. Now, refine the eyelids by adding soft strokes to define their shape. To make the drawing feel more natural, introduce some random light lines. This will add depth and realism. For the eyelashes, use short, curved strokes. Upper lashes should be longer, denser, and curl outward, while lower lashes should be thinner and sparser, curving slightly downward. Vary the thickness and direction of the lashes. Some should be bold, while others remain delicate. Avoid overcrowding the eye with too many lashes, as it can make the drawing look artificial. Step 5. Drawing the eyebrows. Eyebrows frame the eyes, so take your time creating them. Start with light strokes in the direction of hair growth, beginning from the bottom of the brow and moving upward. As you reach the arch and tail, angle your strokes slightly toward the side. To create a natural effect, darken the densest areas and add a few stray hairs. Some hairs can curve or cross slightly, giving the eyebrow a more realistic, textured appearance. Step 6. Enhancing shadows and final details. Deepen the darkest areas, such as the pupil, the edges of the iris, and the shadows under the eyelids. Check your drawing from a distance to ensure the shading is balanced and the proportions are correct. If necessary, refine highlights and enhance contrast to make the eye appear more vivid. You can also use a kneaded eraser to gently lift some graphite from areas where highlights should be more pronounced. And there you have it, a beautifully detailed, realistic eye. Take a step back and admire your work. With practice, each eye you draw will look more refined and lifelike. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped build your confidence in drawing eyes. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.